fabulous and authentic experience. One of a kind. Friendly and helpful staff. Lots of shapes to choose from. The people are very helpful during classes. I had to go a few times to complete my mosaic, but everything was great each time. Beautiful, relaxing place to unwind and enjoy some mosaic making. Lovely, friendly staff. I didn't want to leave. My husband and I had such a great time and he didn't really want to go but said he really enjoyed it. And because they have pre-packaged kits to take home, I was able to buy them for my grandkids, so my souvenir shopping is done. I can't wait to do them with the grandkids. The scenery outside was beautiful and so relaxing. We'll do again on our next visit. Lovely place to visit. Staff really friendly and helpful. Calm and welcoming environment. I stayed for 3 hours and left with my lovely mosaic. Outside space also beautiful and is used as a workspace as the weather gets cooler. Our experience was wonderful. The owner made us feel very welcomed and she even helped me locate an Uber and assisted with directions. It was our first time trying a mosaic, but she walked us through the process very carefully. I love they have item and kits for sale. The stone pool was very unique and my son loved it. I will definitely return to complete more projects. Wonderful time to craft. Owner is very knowledgeable and friendly. Group and family friendly. I went solo and had a great time. Open for more than just mosaics. Several pieces available for sale.